Okay, I finished the stupid heart. I assembled it, it works. You can see the video on my channel. And now we're gonna do something a little simpler. Basically two blinking LEDs. Yeah, it's the OKN. It's supposed to be Y. Okay, dash GM1108. And yeah, it has a few components inside, a chip or two. Does it have a chip or just transistors? I believe only two transistors. Yep, two transistors, two capacitors. This is probably the power supply. And two LEDs, four resistors. I don't know which one is which. So yeah, 33K and 510. Let's measure the 33K. Which one can it be? Because I don't know the color codes and I'm too lazy to look it up. And then the best solution is to measure. So K, 200K. And let's see. Can you see? Let's see. Are these the ones? These are the 30K. Right? 30K. And these ones 0.3. What? 33K should be 33. And they are 30. Oh, just 30. I don't understand why. And these are 0.3. Those. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Oh! The schematics specify 30K resistors. Look. 30K and 510. I don't know what they are. Two capacitors. These are probably also capacitors. Okay. Oh no, those are the transistors probably. I don't know Chinese, sorry. So, where is this from? This fall out of it? I don't know, whatever. So, yeah. The transistors are probably... Oh yeah, those are identical. Both have the 9014 marking. Let's just put them in. D1 and D2. Okay. So that will be there. I don't know why that one is bigger and this is smaller. I don't know electronics much. But they seem to be of the same size. Yeah, so the 30K resistors. Let me double triple check before I do anything stupid. These are the 30. Yeah, 30 on the nose. Okay, these go into the 33K positions, which is kind of weird. These are the schematics. And it also says 33K there. So I don't know. 33K. Let's put it in. That's what she said. And this one on the other side. Like that. And two capacitors in the middle with the positive The negative is the marked one, so the positive is on the outside. Okay. The other one, positive, outside. Okay. Yeah. LED. With the positive is usually the longer leg and the smaller interior part. Yeah. The positive goes here. And the other one, positive goes there. Push them in. Like that. Okay. And what else? Yeah, those two resistors. Okay. Which are... They must be resistors, but they could be windings, coils. I don't know. I have no idea, man. And how they are 510. Because they are... so I measured 0.3, which would mean like 3 kilo ohms or 300 ohms. Why is it 500 here? So I have no idea. I just put them in because they gave me these parts. I put them in. If it blows up, it's not my responsibility. This was like $2, so not a huge loss. And let's put in these guys. You're supposed to put them here like that, red and grounding. I have no idea. Let's put them in like that. Okay. Even though I'd probably power it from a USB, it accepts 3 to 12 volts. That's good. That's good. Okay, now let's solder. Soldering is kind of boring, but I chose the better soldering iron because I hate the other one. The other one is faster, but it's harder to hold the components. And oh boy, yeah, this is really easy while I'm fucking it up. Okay. And I ate some smoke. So the resistor should go in, and why is it not? Should I get some more solder on the tip? Is that the problem? It needs to fill the hole. That's what she said. So yeah, press more on the pad and less on the leg. That's what she said, I think. Why does the smoke keeps coming into my mouth? Come on, man. That's not cool. Yeah, that's good enough. So, why does it take more solder? This is kind of strange. I need to find a proper solution because I can't keep buying solder. Just because they drilled bigger holes. Come on, little solder. Why does the smoke come right into my face? What is wrong with this room? Nothing is blowing in this direction. I don't understand it. I need to put a fan somewhere here. Again, right into my face. What the hell? I mean, I got out of the way, but still. Oh, I have a fan here. Let's try to blow it away from me. Hopefully it doesn't, you can't hear it too much. It's not too loud. Still into my mouth. Fuck. Man. Come on. Oops. They joined. Let me just suck it out. Where did I put the pump? Where did I put the pump? Come on. That's not funny. I need that. Oh. I got it. I got it. So, for this you need 4 hands. Like, yeah. Put the pump there by bending the legs out of the way. And is it still there? Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, I can't do this. This is stupid. Let's just try to move it. Nah. Whatever, I'll deal with it later. One more. Where is it? Here. That didn't go as planned. Oh boy. Oh well, I can stop the fan. And let's try to get the legs out of the way and see if it starts. Yeah, come on, out of the way. There. You too. Okay, everything is out of the way. Here, it's not. Okay, now it is. So yeah, everything is soldered and two connections are still bridged. Where is that? Oh, here. Where I'm pointing at here. What can I put there? In the old days, I used to put a blade between. When I was really an amateur, I used to do this. Just cut the excess there. Hopefully don't break anything, don't cut anything. So just cut out, like chop out like a tree. You chop out the middle and scratch it. And I can't see anything, but that's fine. Yeah, I should check. Are they still connected? Nope. Oh, it turned off. Yeah, typical. Right when I want to check my work, it turns off. Oh, it's still connected. That's not good. Let's heat it up some more. Hopefully it will get out of the way. No, it didn't. But I see it now, where it's connected. That's the more important thing, that I see it. Come on. Why is this being so difficult? To use the pump, I need a stand. That's more complicated. Okay, I can only feel the glass now, the PCB, so now it shouldn't be bridged. Let's see. Nope, it's not. And now if you touch them, nope, okay. Phew, I resolved that. So now let's get all the legs out of the way again, so they don't touch anything. And power it on. Like how? Oh, I can use a really small battery, because this needs 3 volts, but yeah, I think I have a small battery cell somewhere, or 2. I have 2. Let's, oh, and I have a lithium-ion battery, which is kind of appropriate. This has the legs here, so I can just shove it against something, and it's 170 milliamp hours. Who made this? How hui? New energy. Okay, so let's see. The positive and the negative. Yay! It's blinking! Yay! So, see you in the next video.